roses lined up in a row. Another southern Sunday's morning glow.
Beneath the steeple, all the people have begun shaking hands with the man who grips the gospel gun.
While in quiet prayer, the smell of dinner on the ground fills up the morning air. Ain't nothing sweeter around.
I can almost hear my mama pray, oh Lord, forgive us when we're down.
Another sacred Sunday in the South, alright. A ragged rebel flag flies high above it all, popping in the wind like an angry cannonball.
Now the halls of history are cold and still. They still smell the powder burn, and they probably always will.
And on the old town square, under the barbershop pole, they set me up in the chair when I was 4 years old.
I can almost hear my papa saying, won't you hold still, son? Stop squirming around.
Another southern Sunday's coming down.
I can almost hear the old folks say, you'll make it big one day, you'll leave this town.
Some other lazy Sunday you'll be back around, alright.
I can feel the evening sun go down, and all the lights in the houses one by one go out.
Softly in the distance, nothing stirs about,
And the night is filled with the sound of a whippoorwill.
On a Sunday
in the South, alright. Just another Sunday,
Just another Sunday in the South.
just another Sunday.
Oh, another sacred Sunday in the South.
I can hear my mama calling, that evening sun is falling.
I missed him, oh, sweet Sunday.
Oh, another sacred Sunday.
I can hear my mama calling in the South. All right.
Yeah,
Just another Sunday.
In the South.
oh, another sacred Sunday.